Want to double your net worth during this recession? This is how you do it. When times get challenging like they are right now, most people, well, what do? We start thinking about, how can I reduce expenses? How can I spend less? How can I maybe clip some coupons? Or what subscriptions can I cancel? That's a defensive mindset. And here's the problem with that. You can only save your way down to zero. But if you can simply flip the script in your mind when times are challenging and start to think about, how can I make a little bit more money? How can I make more commissions? How can I earn more at my job? Is there a promotion that I can get? Or is there a small side hustle? How could I make an extra $100, $500, $1,000, $10,000 on the side right now? Offense. When you can start thinking offense, all of the emotions of these challenging times, all of that fear, all of that adrenaline that you're wasting on thinking, how can I cut costs, could be put to good use in you trying to figure out new ways for you to make money. You've got the fear, you've got the adrenaline, you're faced with a challenge. Let's take all that energy and point it in the right direction. Offense, not defense. My name is Matt Easton. It's great to meet you. Consider following me for more tips on how you can be successful in business and life.